Hi guys, it's Yolanda and I'm back with another video. So today I'm here with Thomas and my mom. And where are we going? Oh, we're going to IKEA for the very first time ever for any of us. Have you ever been to IKEA?
Nope,
no. So yeah, so we're gonna explore and then we're also gonna eat lunch there because they have a place to eat. Missed our exit like 5 times, but we made it, which is good. We're almost there, so I'll vlog when we get there.
Fine candy place? Yes.
Anyways, bye. It's right here.
Pouring oil in some other thing, or it's right?
Wow, it's IKEA. I've seen an IKEA before when I went to Minnesota, because there's one right outside of Mall of America.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, like right there. So I've seen one before, but like, I've never been in one. Really, first time at IKEA. I'm so excited. Look at the flags. And we're going in. People are probably gonna think we're weird because we're obsessing over a furniture store.
Ice cream.
Home furnishing.
They have like a parking lot with letters and all that.
Yeah. I'm sure it's packed.
I hope we don't need a membership like Sam's.
I don't think so.
I gotta buy at least
We're
something.
here. Just one thing.
A pen.
A pin, an IKEA pin. Okay, but we're here, so we're gonna park and then I'll vlog when we're heading inside. So we are here waiting for my mom because she's on the phone. But this is how it looks. And they have Swedish meatballs for $5.99, Thomas.
Are you vlogging like that? Vertically?
You gotta vlog horizontal. Here it is. We literally look like tourists. But anyways, we're so close. We're here. Go, Thomas. Whoa! What the heck? There's a kid's place. Tommy, go play in there. We are literally tourists. Okay, there's a kids area. Wow, this is like a whole thing. The cafe's up here. Whoa. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, I want my room to look like that. Okay. I just bricked because I'm so excited. What the heck? Hello? Look, this is literally the cutest room ever. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look, only for $906 you can create this. Okay, I'm for sure taking a picture right here. Okay. Wow. I'm obsessed. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Just took pictures in the other room. Ooh, they have iPads? Oh, you can play songs. Wait, where are the speakers at though? What the heck? Wait. What does this do? Oh, it's these lights. Oh, the speakers are right there. Okay, we can pause it. Oh, wait. So we're gonna go eat. This place is so cool. I'm in Rove. So where we live, we have like Sam's Club, or the closest thing to this would be like Nebraska Furniture Mart, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Nebraska Furniture Mart, and this is like 10 times better already. And the food, I don't know, I've never had it, so I can't say anything, but I'm looking at other people's food and it looks pretty good here, so I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording so we don't look dumb. Line. Okay, so we're in line right now. I really want one of those, but then I remembered we're getting cotton candy later, so yeah. I I see the chicken strips. Oh, I need them in my mouth right now. What are you gonna get, Mom? Okay, I'm gonna update you guys when I get my food. My food, I got chicken strips. She got the Swedish.
You guys didn't get nothing to drink?
They are, I think we asked for the cups, I don't know.
What's that for coffee?
Well, I see that lady getting drinks with a mug. I don't know, we're new. And he also got the Swedish meatballs. I'm the only weird one. So here's what I got. I got chicken strips, fries, and then I got some ketchup, and I thought they had regular lemonade, but it's sparkling lemonade, so we'll see how I like that. I don't like carbonated drinks or carbonated beverages, but we'll see. We're gonna eat. She already started eating. Tommy went to the bathroom, and I'm gonna eat. I'm sure they taste just like chicken strips, but yeah. All right, see you guys later. I ran out of ketchup. Gonna go get me more ketchup. Yeah. So, the food here, pretty good. The ranch here, kind of whack. I don't know. The ranch is kind of weird, so I stopped using it. The fries are really good. Chicken strips, really good. Sparkling lemonade, I didn't like, but I'm sure it's good. I just don't like carbonated drinks, so, because they like burn my tongue, weird. But I got my mom's water, because she got a water, so she just drank my lemonade. Thanks, Queen. More ketchup. It tastes good without the ketchup, but I think it tastes better without the ketchup than it does with the ketchup, but then like I feel weird not having a sauce on my chicken strips, so that's why I keep dipping it in. My mom's in the bathroom. They're both done, and I have all this because I'm a super slow eater. But I felt like I should hop on and tell you guys how this food is, in case you've never been to IKEA and you want to come and eat the chicken strips. Did you like the food? Tell them how it was.
It was immaculate.
That's
Finest dine ever.
Okay. I'm gonna finish though. So bye. Okay, so now we are in this place where there's lots of baby stuff, and our cousin recently had a baby, so we're gonna get them something. Ooh. Markers. Oh, they're $1.99. This is so cute. This is cute.
This is cheap.
Cheap? $8.
Well, not everything is.
Yeah.
Grandma would love it.
Grandma would go crazy if she came here. She'd want to get everything for the kids. Wait, look at the bear. So I took a picture. My camera's gonna die soon. Oops. But I took a picture. This is how it looks. Why does the quality look so bad? Oh, it's because, why is this being messed with? I need to fix my camera. Ooh, wait, I like this bathroom. Okay, I fixed my camera, but I took this picture. Really cute. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. Chef Tommy, this is your cooking show.
Today we are going to be making pizza.
Just looking around, so like when something cool happens, I'll update you guys. Mom. So I think we're leaving, yes? My mom's gonna pay and then we're gonna leave. Thomas is running around. We would get ice cream, but we're going to we're going somewhere. It's for my next video. You guys will see that video after this video. Yeah, they have like hats and stuff. Look, hats. Can we get them? I don't know where my family went. Oh, they went over here. Ugh, you guys, my legs hurt so much from all of this walking. we're about to leave, so yeah. And then I'll review my IKEA experience when we get to the car here. Oh, they have groceries here too? Okay. See you guys in the car. Or I'll film when my mom's paying, but then I'll see you guys in the car. You're supposed to take it out of the bag. We're new. We just got out of IKEA. It was pretty cool. I had a fun time. I don't know. It was it's just a furniture store, but like it's like really cool because they have literally everything they sell on display, so you know how it looks and you're not just basing everything off of a picture. But I'll do a haul of what we got. So we got these things for my grandma. We got these little cups, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups. And then we got these bowls, 6 bowls too, and they match this. And then got 6 plates, and they all match each other. Because we're gonna give this to my grandma because my younger cousins are always at her house. So these are for them, so they can like eat and stuff on them. And we have these little bib things for our cousin. And then lastly, we got burp cloths, whatever. So yeah, let me get my camera before you drive. That is all we got. And IKEA's right there. We're about to leave and go somewhere else. And that'll be in my next video. So yeah. I'll rate this a 10 out of 10. No. I'll rate this experience of going to IKEA a 9 out of 10. I don't know. I don't want to give it a 10. I don't want to give it a 10 out of 10 because like, no. I just don't. But yeah, that's it. Say bye to IKEA. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment down below video suggestions. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.